So here for Redpath Tunnelhouse, and we get questions quite regularly on what does the high wind kit include on a Redpath Tunnelhouse. This example is a 3 metre tunnel, 2.36 by 3 metres. It's got a dual sliding door and it has an optional roof vent on top as well, but let's just go inside and see what's included in the high wind kit. Here we are. So the first part of a high wind kit is the collar tie. So this is a collar tie that goes across the internal hoop of every hoop. So in a 3 metre it's only just the one because there's only one in the centre. On a 4.5 there would be two, on a 6 metre there would be three, and so on and so on and so on, right up to the 24 metre length option building. So the collar tie brace goes across, and that stabilises the hoop and side load winds, and yeah, helps with those extreme conditions when they occur. The next thing on the high wind kit that includes on Redpath tunnels is the sidewall brace in the corners. So we have one on every corner, of course, but on the longer models there'll be one of these braces on every portal, every 1.5 spacing. There'll be a side brace running along, and that's for the full length of the tunnel. So that gives good rigidity lengthways, and that happens on both sides of the building. So we have the side brace on every single portal, depending on how long the portals are. So on a 3 metre one that's only two, but on a 4.5 there's three sections, so there would be three each side of the braces. And on the 6 metre there'd be four sections, you'd have four braces, etc, etc, etc. So that's the collar tie, the wall bracing extras, and also on the high wind kit in the central portal, in the centre portal down at the base rail in here, at the base of the building where it's under a lot of wind pressure from the side, there's an internal strengthening foot that goes up inside. You can see the two screws here that are actually holding that internal sleeve in place. So when the tunnel house is under a lot of wind load, the pressure is in this area here to deform it, essentially, try and push it over. But with the strengthening sleeve up on the inside, it gives it a lot more strength at ground level point. So that's the other thing that's included on the within the high wind kit. So when you order a high wind kit option, those three things are included, and yeah, that's what makes up that kit set option. So I hope that explains a little bit about that. We'll talk about the other options in the future. Otherwise, have a look on the www.redpath.co.nz website for pricing and delivery options. Thank you.